Drone photography is evolving with advancements in technology that enhance image quality, flight performance, and automation. Artificial intelligence is now integrated into modern drones, allowing for real-time scene recognition, automatic subject tracking, and improved obstacle avoidance. These features help photographers capture professional quality shots with minimal manual control. Camera resolution continues to improve, with 8K drone cameras becoming more common. Higher resolutions provide better detail, allowing for cropping and editing without losing quality. Improved low-light capabilities and dynamic range also enhance image clarity, making drone photography more versatile in different lighting conditions. First-person view drones are increasingly popular for capturing immersive and high-speed footage. Unlike traditional drones, FPV drones offer a more dynamic perspective, which is ideal for action sequences and cinematic shots. Advanced stabilization and easier control systems make this technology accessible to both professionals and beginners. Battery life has significantly improved, with drones now capable of flying for 45 minutes or longer on a single charge. Longer flight times allow for extended shooting sessions and reduce the need for frequent battery swaps. These advancements also improve efficiency in commercial applications such as real estate, surveying, and environmental monitoring. Thermal and multispectral imaging is expanding the possibilities of drone photography. These technologies allow photographers to capture heat signatures and infrared light, adding new perspectives for creative and professional applications. They are especially useful in fields like agriculture, search and rescue, and scientific research. Automated flight path programming is becoming more advanced, enabling drones to follow preset routes with precise control. This feature is particularly useful for creating time-lapse sequences, mapping large areas, and capturing consistent shots over time. Automation reduces the need for manual piloting and ensures accuracy in aerial photography. Regulations surrounding drone usage are continuously evolving. Many regions have introduced stricter guidelines for flying drones in urban areas and near restricted airspace. Drone pilots must stay informed about legal requirements, licensing, and no-fly zones to ensure compliance and avoid penalties. Social media is influencing drone photography trends, with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube driving demand for unique aerial shots. AI-powered editing tools are making it easier to enhance drone footage instantly, allowing creators to share high-quality content with minimal post-processing. Staying updated on these trends allows drone photographers to maximize their creative potential, while adapting to new technologies and industry standards. Staying updated on these trends allows drone photographers to maximize their creative potential, while adapting to new technologies and industry standards.